Hey everybody, today we're looking at the Standup weeder root removal tool with 3 stainless steel claws. We're going to assemble it and we're going to show you how to use it to remove weeds without straining your back. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good everybody? So we have a weed problem. We always do. It doesn't look as bad now because the sun's not out, but all the dandelions are just coming out every single year. I keep digging them and they keep coming back. So this is the long-handled weeder. Here are the instructions, but of course you're watching this video, so you don't have to watch the instructions. Let's go and put this together. This is obviously the main bottom part. Now these thin parts go inside the aluminum tube, so before you put this in, you need to go and thread these together. There's threads and arrows on each end, so when you put them together, just make sure that these arrows are pointing each other. And you won't be able to turn it much more past the arrows. See, arrows are pointing. There's only one way to screw these in. These 3 are connected. Make sure you take the B, and there's a letter B here, and you flip it towards the bottom and slide it into here. All right, so it's not going to go past the end. All right, next take this and slide this through. Make sure that the hole is towards the top and it lines here. Take the aluminum piece, make sure that the end with these grooves goes in over top, and that is going to slide in through these ridges here like that. So the tube is going to go inside, and then these holes are going to overlap together, all 3. There you go. Now we take the provided screw and feed it through to the other side. And next, take our handle. We'll note the little plastic grooves are going to be sliding on that, so make sure that kind of goes through on it. So you should go as far as cover the hole that's here. Next, take our spring, place it over top. Take this, press it down. Now take our final screw and attach it to the top. All right, so we screwed that to the top, and now that's not going to fly out. Now the final part is take this triangle piece and we want to go and attach it with a screw to that. Take this and bring that towards the bottom like so, and take your last screw and place it in through the center and screw it in. And that's it. Now you can keep this if you want for safety. If you have kids around, obviously you can go and put this, but likely you will lose this. So, you know, there's that. And now let's go test this out. All right, so there's 2 ways of pulling your weeds. The first one is by pressing it into the ground and rotating the handle around, loosen the root, and then just pressing and pulling it up. The second option is to just drive it into the ground and then use your foot to provide leverage. So let's go and drive this in here. Now we have rocks here, so you want to go right. So that's essentially the procedure. Just kind of do it on here on fresh ground. So dig that in, press it, pull it out, and grab it. And let go. Well, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.